A black hole is also known as a stellar mass black hole. It is an end product of stellar evolution that formed by collapse of a once very high mass nuclear fusing star. An end product that is now about 5 to 10s of solar masses that is compressed into a very small volume. Let's unpack this definition. First of all, you need to understand that a black hole is an end product of stellar evolution. It is a dead star. So we once had a very high mass or a very, very high mass nuclear fusing star. It was a star that was creating nuclear fusion in its core. It died. The star died. It had a collapse and it died into this end product called a black hole. Now the end product has about 5 to 10s of solar masses, hence the name stellar mass black hole. Now, we don't see the star anymore because it's collapsed down into a very small volume. But what we can see is objects being ejected out of the black hole. Here we're looking at a black hole star that is feeding off of other objects. In this case, it's another star. So it's pulling the other star's material in, it spirals in, falls in on the black hole. You can't see the black hole because it's in the center. It's compressed into this small volume, and we see material being ejected out along these jets. Now let's go take an actual image of this black hole instead of the artist impression. Here we're zooming in on this galaxy, and we're going to zoom into the spot of the observation of this stellar mass black hole that is feeding off of this other object. And here it is. There's the secondary that you can see that it's feeding off of. It's feeding the material in, and now we're going to switch to the artist impression. Squeezing the material in, it's spiraling into the accretion disk. It drops in on the stellar mass black hole. The stellar mass black hole can't accept it that quickly enough, and it ejects these high-speed particles, almost that are moving at the speed of light, out at perpendicular directions from the disk. This is what we mean by a stellar mass black hole.